Hiya, you beautiful lot. My name's Purple, and this is the Kotch. Hi all you beautiful lot. How you doing? I hope everybody's all happy and energetic. And today is Friday. I will be going down the Kotch later. We're going to do a little bit of magnet fishing, try and get some of the stuff that's gone in there. And I know there's a fire extinguisher and a couple of bits, so we'll take you through all of that. But just for now, I've got down here and I've got my crayfish trap. So she's a beauty. And I've got me tin of ham in there, ready to go, and I've made a little ramp. So I'm going to chuck her in the eyes and we're going to see what we get out of it. Yeah, see you soon.
3 hours later.
Right, so it's the end of the day, and before I move on to the Kotch to go meet the lads to do a bit of magnet fishing, I thought I'd come check the crayfish trap. So it's been in for a few hours and we'll see what we get. I'll just spin this round for you all. Are we empty? No, we're not. No, we've got a few. Come on, yeah. There's not as many as I had the other day. I mean, 19 was the count. And these should be all American signal crayfish. They've got little white bits on their claws. Oh yeah, there we go. We got some. Yeah, bad boys. Let's see if I can get one for you. Yeah, there he is. He's awesome. You can't pinch me where he is. He's got one small claw, so he's been fighting with someone. But yeah, awesome. Yeah, like I say, thank you very much to my cameraman there. Absolutely brilliant.
1 hour later.
Hi there again. Right, back to the end of Friday, and I'm down the Kotch now. And I just wanted to take a minute and just show you what I found here. Now what we've got is there's this tree, part of the tree, we call it a sapling, which has come up. I mean, she's well alive, but what it done is it had snapped off and then grafted itself back in to this tree. So it's like eternal life. Now, where that's happened, I now have this dragon's head. If we take you around, yeah, let's get rid of that bit. But yeah. Very bizarre. Right on the graft. Right. So yeah, that's just epic. A bit of graft, and it looked like something that was a bit dead, and the other part of the tree's gone, nah, come here mate, let me look after you. Be one again. So it grafted itself back. So that's absolutely brilliant. Now I have to say, I got the lads down here doing a little bit of magnet fishing. You know, the fact of abundance, whatever I seem to ask for, it seems to kind of turn up. You know, I needed a cameraman, and there he was. I met Dan Beeman, whose energy just shines so much. The animals come out and do a performance for him. So yeah, talked a little bit, and I managed to get these lads, and they've got their magnet and grappling hook. It should be fun. He's going for the wheelbarrow. Oh, he's got a blade. God blimey. Oh, what you got there, mate? Oh, you found my chair. And my wheelbarrow. Oh, wow. You go careful. That's where my son went in. Oh, look at that. I've got my wheelbarrow back. If anybody's got a spare wheel, please, and bolt. Oh, look, and a fire extinguisher. That's what we're talking about. That's how we clean up the river ice. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Anyway, we'll leave it there for a minute and I'll do a video at the end and show the collection of crap. Oh. The missus's chair. Epic, epic.
1 hour later.
Yeah, what a result. Two tyres, a prop shaft, a drive shaft, a wheelbarrow, a knife. Yeah, there's those bits. A knife, a scaffolding knuckle, some chicken wire, loads of nails, window framing. Ah, there's the prop shaft. Yeah. Fire extinguisher, chair. Yeah, the boys have done me proud. Yeah, they got a lot out. So I also see someone's kind of put a bit of rope up in the tree here. So I think with one of the tyres that we got out of the river here, I'm going to make a swing for you all. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good there. Yeah. Just hope the tree can take it. So I'm afraid that's all I've got time for today. It's been a very tiring day and I've got lots to get on with when I get back home. But yeah, if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button and then hit the little bell for the notifications and you could be in the know about the Kotch. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to be back down here giving it hell. Peace, love and light all. Have a good one. Bye bye.